Well, we made it. It looks beautiful. We believe there's a train or something, so we have no idea, no idea what we're doing. The internet is less than helpful, so we're just going to walk around until we figure it out, and hopefully find a toilet soon, because the one in the station cost €1 and I didn't bring any euros. Idiot. Oops. Right, let's go and check out these hills. So, first success, found a toilet. Good lesson, carry change, but made it work somehow. So, but I left Lisa alone for 2 seconds and
I bought us boat tickets.
Suddenly we're on a boat, so...
I think this is going to be the best way to see Cinque Terre in 5 hours.
What you mean is you like being on boats?
And I don't like walking.
There we go, so we're gonna... So yeah, so hopefully we'll get to a view of all of them. We'll have probably only time to visit one of the towns, which is fine. 2 of the towns. But yeah, we're not going to be rushing around, just stay on the boat and then yeah.
Slowly.
And just look at that view. I get to remove myself from any decision-making responsibilities going forward because Lisa has smashed it in buying these boat tickets. It was definitely the best option to see as much as possible in the short window we had before heading back to the campsite. We got to at least see all the towns from the boat, enjoy the boat in this beautiful Italian sunshine, and go and explore the town of Riomaggiore. I apologise to any Italian speakers I have offended in that pronunciation, but we did make it up to you by going and find some lovely local dishes, and I'm really enjoying the 5 towns had to offer. We cannot wait to head back and explore properly. Maybe even next time I'll force Lisa to hike it and stay a few days.
Back on dry land.
Not sure it was worth all the effort, really.
I think we probably should have stayed at the campsite today.
Guess we're about to have a walk around anyway. So.
I think I might have to have Italian pasta for the first time.
Well, by the sea, see if we can get some seafood, I reckon. But right, let's go see what's on offer. Well, got the priorities sorted. Got the wine. And a little pre-dinner snack. Not quite what I was expecting. It's nice though. I'll save the rest for my pasta. First non-pizza dish out of Italy. So.
It is actually. It'll be a bit better than the bolognese I made last night.
Ah, we'll see. Well, that's a reaction, isn't it? That's delicious. That's lovely. Right, now to try the seafood pasta that I can't help but always order. Bellissimo. Beautiful. Fantastic. Right, we're gonna drink our wine, eat our food and see where's next. So did the lasagna live up to the first bite?
Oh, it was absolutely stunning. Absolutely the best lasagna I've had, except maybe the one in Rome. So we're gonna have to go and try the one in Rome again.
So now we're gonna have to add Rome to the trip to go and compare lasagnas. What a reason to go.
Sorry.
Well, that's what you're in Italy for, to eat pasta, surely. But we tried exploring the town, got confused, and found a beautiful bar. Seems a reasonable compromise. I reckon we're just absolute professionals at this sightseeing stuff.
Honestly, couldn't go better.
Don't know why everyone moans about all the effort it takes. You know, so it looks a really good idea, and then you start. You sort of get halfway down, you're like, oh, I can do this. And then you're like, worth it though, look at this. This one at least is far more sensible than me. But after a couple of beers and a wine, maybe not the best. Back on the boat, but I've been robbed.
I've got a really hot head. Would you describe me as hot-headed?
No, definitely not. No. Wouldn't dream of it.
I'm only borrowing it.
Until it flies into the sea, and then I'm down to one hat.
Oh yeah.
Lost one at a petrol station already. Don't want to lose one on a boat.
Okay, I'll try not to lose it.
There we go. But yeah, made it back on the boat, and then we got a bit of time to kill before the train. So either another bar or a dip in the sea.
We'll see.
What did you do on a boat?
I maybe once. I mean, I'll have a beer.
There we go.
Not great, but it's thirst quenching.
Sums up beer. Well, we decided we couldn't go in the sea because we'd be wet on the train, which we didn't bring towels, so that's a no-go.
We need to get one of those little towely things.
We'll put that on the list. We'll buy some towels at some point that means don't have to carry around bath towels. But so obviously we just went, had a quick beer in another beautiful beachside bar, and now we're back on the train.
Oh my god, I look so rosy. I might have regretted not putting on Factor 50 today.
Well, some people always put Factor 50 on and still look red, but what are you gonna do? Anyway, we'll enjoy the beautiful train views and see you back at the campsite. So we made it back to the campsite, but only as far as the bar, because we've had too fun a day to get back and start cooking. So a couple more beers, a few more limoncellos, and a nice little pizza to see us off, and then off to Pisa tomorrow.
Pizza. Pizza.
Alright, you can join us for the next leg tomorrow.